Used to be polite. Polite means
polite
means respectful. You respect the people around you. That's being polite. All right. Used to be polite in every situation. In this situation, excuse me is used to get someone's attention. So you are asking somebody to come over here. Instead of saying come over here, you will say excuse me, right? So which one on this picture? There are two pictures, right? Can you see the two pictures?
Yes.
Which one do you think is polite? The first picture or the second picture?
One picture. First. First.
Yes, good job. Why do you think it's the first one?
First.
Because
Because
are
because
they are
they are happy.
happy and smiling.
Oh.
Smiling. Yes, if you say excuse me, you have to smile. If you are not smiling and you say excuse me, it will be rude. Do you know what's rude? Rude is annoying. It's bad. Okay?
Oh.
Don't say excuse me. Can you look at teacher? Excuse me. Is it good?
Yes.
No, it's not. Excuse me. You have to say excuse me to be much polite, and you have to smile. Look at the second picture. L- Yes, look at the second picture. The second picture says, "Excuse me." That means she is mad, right? She is mad. She is asking somebody to repeat something and it made her mad. All right?